Hi, Gary here with Automatic Door Hardware. What I have here is a Eagle motion sensor for an automatic sliding door. The part number for this sensor is 10EAGLE, 10EAGLE. This is a motion sensor only. Comes with your screws, your wire. It comes with a mounting template and instructions. This sensor should be adjusted per ANSI standards as stated in the instructions here. This is a high quality motion sensor, one of the best sensors in the industry, which these last an awful long time unless they're left out in the rain or inclement weather. Then they should have a rain cover installed on them. This is available at autodoorandhardware.com.